Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using MoonPay to MetaMask, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the MoonPay website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy. Choose your payment method, such as credit card or bank transfer. Fill in the required personal and payment details. Complete the identity verification process, if prompted. Once your payment is confirmed, note the wallet address provided. Now, open your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you are logged in to your MetaMask account. Click on the Assets tab to view your current balances. Select the Add Token option, if needed, for the cryptocurrency you purchased. Copy your MetaMask wallet address by clicking on the account name. Return to the MoonPay confirmation page. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the designated field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Confirm the transaction details and click Send or Complete. Wait for the transaction to process. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer is complete. Monitor your MetaMask wallet to see the incoming transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you will see the crypto reflected in your MetaMask balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.